All right, here's a test with the Voice Reflector on the GoPro. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna remove the Voice Reflector. Testing 1, 2, 3. How does that sound? Here's our ASA SandMate filament. We're gonna start a brand new batch and see how many voice reflectors we can get out of this one roll. And this is a Sohida 3D printer enclosure, which has worked really good. I think it was about 30 bucks. I'll leave the link down below. This is our print before we ran out of filament. And feed in. Close the door, zip it up to keep all of the fumes out. I loaded up our voice reflector. Print is ready. It is now installed on our GoPro Hero 9. Now I'm going to remove the voice reflector. And how does that sound? Testing 1, 2, 3. All right, test with the wind reflector on. Voice reflector. Voice reflector off. Testing.